Let's break down 8 different scenarios when you typically write to your colleagues in your work group chat, and how to phrase that in friendly but professional English. If you use English at work, perhaps you have this dilemma. In our glorious digital age, you probably have a work group chat where you can quickly message your colleagues about your daily tasks and projects. That's great for your job, but it creates a more complex challenge for your English. What is the correct tone of English to use in these work chats? These are people that you talk to every day, so you don't want to have a very formal, cold, distant kind of tone. So you want to keep it friendly, but you also want to maintain a level of professionalism. This is a very specific tone that you are looking for with your English. But no worries, because in this video, I'll show you how to find the perfect balance of writing to your colleagues in a casual, friendly, but totally professional tone of English. Keep watching. So you might already know the expressions dear sirs and madams, or greetings all. These are very formal expressions that I would save for an official work email. In your casual work group chat, I would keep it simple when you want to greet your colleagues and say something like this. Hi everyone, for groups. Hi there, for individuals. You really can't go wrong with these phrases in English. Before immediately talking about your tasks and projects, it's good practice to make a quick non-work related comment. These are usually like asking how somebody is or talking about the weekend. So in a formal way, this would sound something like, I trust everyone is well, or I trust that everyone had a restful weekend. And these are great for official emails, but in your everyday work chat, better to say something like this. For groups, you could say, hope everyone's day is going well, or hope you all had a nice weekend. For individuals, it's just, hope your day is going well, or hope you had a nice weekend. And these phrases will help you create a positive, friendly atmosphere with your colleagues in your work chat. Quick thing, if you do speak English at work and you're interested in getting particularly the tone of English right for professional situations, check out some of my other videos. I think they could help you. And last thing on the subject, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep updated with more videos coming. Okay, back to your video. A lot of the time, the real reason that you're writing in your work chat is because you need something from someone, right? So in a very formal, official request kind of way, it would be phrased like this. I would be grateful if someone could send me the document or tell me about some specific information. But a more casual way to express that, which sounds less like Your Majesty, would sound like this. If anyone has a moment, could you please send me that document or tell me about that information? And if it's an individual, just say, if you have a moment. If you need to update your colleagues on the status of a task or a project, or you need to share any information in general, a more formal way of saying that would be something like, I am pleased to inform you about blah blah blah. A much more casual, everyday conversation style to your colleagues would be, just to let you know, and then the information. For example, just to let you know, the project deadline has been extended. Yeah, right, never happens. So you might be more familiar with the more email style expression, please find attached the XYZ document. In a quick, everyday message to your colleagues, the more appropriate tone of English would be this. Here is the XYZ document, or here are the ABC files. Nice and easy. So maybe you're acknowledging some information that a colleague has shared with you in the work chat. The more formal way of recognizing that would be a phrase like, "Thank you for the clarification provided." But this is a quick message to your colleagues in your chat. You don't want to say that. Here are some better options that you could say. Sounds good? Thank you for letting me know. Thanks, all clear. These may sound very snappy, very fast, but they're still totally appropriate for this casual, professional tone of English. There's probably a moment when you want to tell your colleagues your input on a particular topic. So for example, if you want to give a suggestion, the more formal way of saying that would sound like, "I would like to propose blah blah blah." That's great for a formal email, but in your work chat, I would quickly say this: "I have some ideas about blah blah blah, the topic." Much more casual. If you want to end the conversation and start closing, a very typical email expression in a formal sense would be this: "Thank you for your attention to this matter. Best regards, your name." Now, you're not going to do that in your fast work chat, right? Better to say something like, "Thanks everyone, that was really helpful." And then a quick well-wishing comment like, "Take care," and if you want, even "Enjoy the rest of your day," or "Enjoy your weekend." And that's all it takes. So remember, finding the right tone of English, especially for professional situations, can be quite tricky. So you're definitely doing the right thing by making an effort to learn and watch videos like this. So I recommend subscribing to my channel and also check out my other resources on my website, because there you're going to get even more help to speak English in professional situations. I'm going to keep bringing you more videos and more tips to help you speak English authentically for work. Thank you so much and take care.